Hi, Brian from CarsAddiction.com. Welcome back. This is the 12th generation Toyota Corolla. Personally, I've thought the Corolla name was out with the Auris, especially for the Europe market, but now it's back. And it seems that Toyota brought it back because the Corolla has a long history with Toyota. You can say that the name has nostalgic reasons to some, and of course reliability, which I guess they're going really strong with, releasing a hybrid system with their main car, especially a touring car of that size. Enjoy the rest of the walkthrough of the new 12th generation Corolla. If you have any comments about this specific car, please do so in the comments below. Thanks.
Ma lui voleva vedere quella più lunga.
E questa qua? Ah, lui vuole vedere la giostra.
Sì.
Hope you like the content. Please share your comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified for more content from CarsAddiction.com. Take care.